which yes, ma'am. I said a teacher.
Okay.
The number of pencils that the teacher gave to students.
Okay. Okay, so now we are going to start with the next one. Okay, the flies
Yes,
one we did, I think, right?
yes, ma'am.
Huh. Now coming to the next question over here. The question is, Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, right? Dot
Yes, ma'am.
rangoli with a chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row, right? She
Yes,
has
ma'am.
9 dots in a row. Wait. Okay, this one, right? So over here, Radha is drawing a dot rangoli in a beautiful pattern of lines joining the dots, right?
Yes,
She has 9
yes,
dots
ma'am.
in a row. So in a row, she has 9 dots,
9 dots.
okay, right? How many
Yes,
dots does her rangoli have in our rows? How many dots are there if there are 8 rows and 10 rows? Very easy.
yes, ma'am.
In R1, it will be 9 multiplied by R. Yes. If the number of rows is R, it will be 9 multiplied by R. If the number of rows will be 8.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No, ma'am.
Wait, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if, like for example, what they are doing over here is, they are giving you number of rows, right? If number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
rows is R, then it will be 9 multiplied by R. If number of rows are 8, then it will be 9 multiplied by 8. If number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
rows are 10, then it will be 9 multiplied by 10. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is what you will be mentioning it. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
see, this one you can see. Right? So how you are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
write it? You are going to write it till here. Number of rows is there. So we obtain total number of dots by multiplying number of dots in each row and the number of rows. Right? So every
Yes,
time you
ma'am.
will write number of rows 9. So total number of dots will be 9 multiplied by 9.
9.
Right? Like this.
Yes, ma'am.
It depends on how much rows are they given. If it is 8, you will multiply with 8. If it is 10, then you will multiply like this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Then, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let's just do the next one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, next question says this. The question is this. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Right?
Yes,
Leela
ma'am.
is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela age in terms of Radha age? Take the age of Radha X. Okay, let's just solve it here. Okay, so what they are
Yes,
saying
ma'am.
over here is, right, they are saying let Radha age equals to X. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So over here, Radha age is X. So Leela is 4 years younger. Right? So that means x minus 4. For example, your age is 12, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Your sister is your age, right?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
sister is 4 years younger than you. 4 years younger. Okay. That means
Yes,
she is
ma'am.
4 years less than you. If instead of younger, I will write older, that means she is 4 years more than you. So 12 minus 4, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means your sister is 8 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I will write older, what you will do? 12 plus 4. So it will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Your sister will be 16 years old. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
similarly, here in this question, they have given you like this, that Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So let Radha age be X. So Leela is 4 years younger. So therefore, Leela age will be X minus 4 years. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So in case if they have given you older, at that time what you will be doing? X plus
Yes, ma'am.
4.
Plus sign.
Hmm.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. This one. You will try this question. This question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mother has made laddus. She gave some laddus to the guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what is your answer? How did you did it?
Ma'am, now number of laddus made by the mother is L.
Yes.
She gave away 5 laddus. Therefore, number of laddus remaining is L minus 5.
Minus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
See, mother has made laddus. She gives some laddu to the guests and family member. If the number of laddus which mother gave was L, right? And
Okay.
5 laddus are still remaining. So how many laddus are there? L, the one which they gave to the guest, and the remaining 5. Getting the point?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to find the total laddus. So that means these laddus which she gave to the guest and the remaining laddus. So this L laddus she gives to the guest and 5 laddus are still remaining. So L plus 5. Clear?
I,
Okay, so you will quickly note it.
ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. So this is how you have to do. See, number of laddus L, number of laddus remaining 5. Total number of laddus will be laddus given away and remaining laddus. So
Okay.
here the total is L plus 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the next one. This one, oranges one. Quickly do it and tell me the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me.
Ma'am, number of oranges in the larger box is X. It is emptied and filled into two smaller box is we don't know. So now number of orange that is remaining is 10 oranges. So number of oranges in the larger box was x plus 10.
Why not 2x?
I don't know.
See, orange are to be transferred from a larger box to a smaller box. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. See, this is a larger box. It is going to be transferred into smaller boxes. When a large box is amplified, the oranges from it filled into two smaller boxes. Clear? And still
Yes,
10
ma'am.
oranges remain outside. So in this, there will be some oranges plus 10 oranges. Right? So it will be 2x plus 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Two boxes are there, na? Right? So this is how we write that. Number of oranges in one box will be x. So as there are two boxes, so number of boxes will be 2. So total number of oranges in both the box will be 2x. Remaining oranges are 10. So therefore 2x plus 10 will be the total number of oranges. Total number of oranges. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. This not important. You have to just look at the matchstick and tell me the answers. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
That much important. You have to just count it. I think you can do it. So no need to do it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next question. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown in L. Express the perimeter of equilateral triangle. What is perimeter? See, wherever you get the shape, like it will be a rectangle, a rectangle, a square, triangle, anything it is, there will be two parts. One will be your area, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
one will be your perimeter, right? So for example, let's just take this triangle. Okay. So if you have to grow grass, where you will grow this grass?
The down part.
Yes, here, right?
Yes,
Inside
ma'am.
the triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, the inside is basically the area. Okay. But for example, if you have to do fencing, you know fencing?
No, ma'am.
Fencing is basically, for example, if this is your wall, you took a wiring that nobody enters our house,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So this is called fencing. Where you will do fencing, here or in the boundary?
In the boundary.
In the boundary, right? So that is called perimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is perimeter? Is basically the boundary. This one is your perimeter, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
the inside one is your area. Clear? Here
Yes.
also in the second one, this one will be your perimeter, right? The boundary will be your perimeter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And the other one will be your inside one will be your area. So if you have to find the perimeter of this triangle, what you will do? Tell me.
Ma'am, we should like what? You have to place all the sides.
Yes. So it will be, when you will add them up, what you will get?
To get the sum.
Yes. So how will you write it? See, you will write it like this. Side of equilateral triangle
Triangle.
equals to L, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So perimeter of EQ means equilateral triangle will be L plus L plus L, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So total it will be 3L. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
right? And there is one more formula for perimeter of triangle. You will note it down, right?
Okay.
I'm just talking about only triangle, okay? Everyone has their different one. Perimeter of
Ma'am.
triangle. I'm talking about only equilateral triangle, okay? It will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
number of sides multiply by side of a triangle. Clear? So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
sides are there? 3. And what is the
Three
side? It is L.
L.
Here also you got 3L. Clear? So you have both the
Yes, ma'am.
method. Either you can do it like this or you can do it like this. Write both. Wherever, whichever is
Okay, ma'am.
suitable for you, you can do it accordingly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, done.
ma'am, can I get to the washroom?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can write it down.
Ma'am, I wrote it.
Okay. Now coming to the next question. This one. You have the side of regular hexagon is denoted by L. Express the perimeter. How will you do it?
Ma'am, first we have to write all the equal turn, like have to write all the side,
Hmm.
like perimeter
I
of the.
already gave you one formula as
Yes,
well.
yes,
Perimeter
ma'am.
of, instead of triangle, you will write hexagon,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
This is hexagon. You know,
And the number
number of
of L.
sides? Yes, number of
L.
side multiply by.
Ma'am, I did not write the multiplication. I wrote
You have
plus.
to write it. Write it down. You have to just change it. See, in case it will come hexagon, you will write hexagon, right? That number of sides multiply by side of triangle. Number of sides means how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3. And side means what is given. Okay. You can write it
Okay,
down. Same formula you will apply for hexagon. Instead of triangle, you will write hexagon.
okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you will do this one. Okay, and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So what you got?
Ma'am, I got perimeter of the hexagon is equal to number of sides
Hmm.
multiplied by number of sides of the hexagon is equal to 6L or 6 multiplied by
Wait.
L.
Here you will write number of sides in hexagon, and here you will only write side of hexagon. No need to write number.
Okay, ma'am.
Because number means you have to count that. Okay, ma'am, it has 1, 2, 3 sides. But here you have to mention what is the side, the value of that side. It is L, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So remove number, just write side of hexagon. And then what is your answer?
Ma'am, I got 6 multiplied by L.
Yes, very good. So when you will solve it, you will get 6L, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one, quickly do it.
Ma'am, is there only 3L?
Sorry.
Ma'am, in the cube, should we only write 3L?
What will be the formula for cube? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Think about it. No, you have to calculate all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? So in
Yes,
total,
ma'am.
it has 12 sides. Okay? You make cube
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this. This. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 4. Clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
5. Sorry, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? Can you draw
Yes,
this
ma'am.
cube now?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Just make it here 1, here 1. Okay? 4 here,
Yes,
4 here. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And 9, 10, 11. Okay?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should we measure it?
Should I?
Ma'am,
Huh? Should I what?
ma'am, should I measure it?
No need to measure it. They have given you L, na? This all the
Yes,
sides
ma'am.
are L.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So what is your answer?
Ma'am, I got length of the cube is equal to number of length multiplied by sides of the cube is equal to 12 L or 12 multiplied by N.
Yes, very good. So final answer will be 12N only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So length of one edge of this 1, number of edges 12. So total length equals to number of edges in the cube multiplied by length of one edge of cube, right? So in
Yes, ma'am.
cube we have edges. Clear? Instead of sides we have edges.
I just
Clear?
okay,
So you
ma'am.
will correct this formula first. Write edges and answer is correct. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And once you are done this, then we will do the circle. For circle, there is something different we need to follow.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now this one. The diameter of a circle is a line. See, in a circle, you don't have perimeter. You have circumference. What?
Mm.
Circumference. Clear? You don't say, ma'am, this is perimeter. You say circumference. Okay.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
question says, ma'am, now, first of all, we will understand about circle. For example, this is your circle. So the boundary is known as circumference. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Circumstance.
example, this one is OA. What is this OA? It's
Ma'am,
called
it is
radius. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
If you will make it full like this, and this is B, then this AB is known as diameter.
Okay, ma'am.
So if a circle, for example, this, the half line, right? All these are radius. Clear? But
Yes, ma'am.
if it will be a full line like this, like this, like this, then it will be a diameter. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
You will first note it down, and the this called boundary is known as circumference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is your question. Try to do it. You have to find me the diameter. Try doing it.
Thank you, ma'am.
So they have asked you, express the diameter of a circle in terms of radius. When you will add two radius, will they make one diameter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, two half, like this half and this half. When you will add them up, it will make one diameter, right?
Ma'am.
So think about it and tell me how will you do it. Okay, let me just solve it this for you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, you can see this is a circle, right?
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
can see, ma'am, this CP is your radius, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we can see from the figure, what we can see, we can see CP equals to radius, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So over here, this one AC and this BC, this BC and this AC are also a radius. Yes or no?
Mm.
Right? This BC is half. This is also a radius. And this AC is
Ma'am.
also half. This is also a radius. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So AC and BC, they are also radius. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is diameter AB. So AB equals to, how will you make AB? Tell me. To make AB, what you need?
We
What?
need to make a two radius.
Yes. So it will be AC plus BC. If you will add this AC and this BC together, will it make AD?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what is AC? AC is R and this is also R. Radius. So you got
It's a
2R.
diameter.
So your diameter is 2R. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly note it down. First draw the diagram, then write it from here.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next one. This one. You have to find the sum of three numbers 14, 17 and 13. We can also have. First of all, we can add it like this. 14 and 27. We got
Yes,
41.
ma'am.
Then we can add this. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what. So we have basically two properties. What we can do? We can add A, B. Right? And then
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can add C. Or what we can do? Just leave the add. First we can add BC as well. Right? For
Okay, ma'am.
example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 it is. This is A, this is B, this is C. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what I can do? I can do it like this. A plus B and then I can add C. So it will be 2 plus 3. First I will add and then I will add the 4. So 2 plus 3 will give me 5. Then plus 4, it gave me 9. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or what I can do? I can do it like this. A plus B plus C. So A is 2. First I can add 3 and 4. So what I got? 3 and 4. 7.
Yes,
7
ma'am.
plus 2 is 9. Right? So you have your choice. You can do it any way. Right? Either do it this way or do it this way. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what? This is your question. So instead of this, what you will write? You will write A plus B plus C in a bracket, and here you will write A plus B plus C. You will solve it and tell me the answer what you are getting. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.